So in this video today, I'm going to be styling my display cabinet. So come on with me, guys. All right, so I already took everything out of the cabinet, so it definitely needs to be wiped down, and I am using that cleaner from the Dollar Tree. It's the Awesome Wood Cleaner. Absolutely love that. It's so refreshing, and it doesn't leave a film, so I love using it. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called Styling My Way. And the theme for this month is Fall Freestyle. So remember, we're getting ready for a fall home tour, and I'm very excited about that. All right, let me tell you who's hosting. So we have Design with Emma. We have myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And then we have some beautiful co-hosts here. We have Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Donna Decor and More, Decorating with Jazzy Green, Bean Mel B, and Debbie Bubbles. Now, as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Always remember to click the like button when you get to the video, so this way you don't forget. Then you full watch the video and leave a beautiful comment, because this makes us feel good. Guys, go down the playlist and enjoy everyone's video. This is all about fun and growing. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and clean and decorate this cabinet. So I'll be right back. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much for your support. I'm going to be linking my 3 channels down below, and I would love for you to come on over, visit those channels, subscribe. I can surely use your support. Now, I am almost done, and I'm so excited for you to go over to, we're going to head on over to the reveal soon. But I try to keep this decorating light and airy, so I didn't want to overload anything. So I think that is going to be really pleasant. So let's head on over to the reveal, guys. So we have some last minute moving around that I did, but I think I'm ready now. Let's head on over to the reveal. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.